This is the 28th Taiku in Talmud Bavli in the project that I am doing called Taiku, based on the book by Rabbi Aharon Yehoshua Hessen called Taiku, which collects, compiles, puts together all of the Taikus, all the unanswered questions in the Babylonian Talmud, and puts them in one work, and that's what I'm doing here. My version of it is to record them, and this is the 28th Taiku, and to me it seemed a little bizarre, but then many of these questions are not very relevant or applicable, but they just are meant to stretch the boundaries of halacha, and found it kind of interesting that, and this is it. It's found in Tractate Eiruvin, page 99a. Boy Rava hu b'rishus yachid upi ama b'rishus rabin mahu basar akira azlinan o basar yitzia azlinan teiku. Now I had no idea that that urine is actually something that one can carry on Shabbat, or is considered, if someone urinates, then they're considered carrying. I didn't even think about that, but apparently they had this question. Rabbi had this question that, okay, this is it. If one's standing in a private domain and the opening of his male member, of his male organ, and I'm not talking about a musical instrument that they play in church. The opening of his male organ is in the public domain, and he urinates. What's the halacha? How should this case be regarded? Do we follow the domain where the urine is uprooted from the body, meaning the bladder? It's in a private domain. Or do we follow the point of the urine's actual emission from the body? And since the urine leaves the body through the opening of his member in the public domain, no prohibition has been violated. And since this dilemma was not resolved, the Gemara concludes, Taiku, let it stand unresolved until the coming of Messiah, Elijah the prophet. Can you imagine asking Elijah the prophet this question? Someone is urinating from inside and it's going to the outside. Is he chayv or pater? No. Eliyahu, what's it going to be? What's the answer? I can't imagine asking that question, but this happens to be the 28th Taiku in Talmud Bavli.